Students and working accountants, welcome to my Export Tally Frame YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to post the manufacturing entry automatic manufacturing entry with the help of bill of materials, that is BOM. So with the help of BOM means this is the automatic, making the entry automatically. Okay. Without BOM means it is a manual entry. So that's what we are going to learn before entering into the topic. Before anything with the topic, a request to you. Many students they are entering they're coming to the channel, they are watching the videos and going off without subscribing to the channel. Please, I request everyone to subscribe the channel once. If you are not already subscribed, you subscribe the channel. If it is done already, no problem. And also select click the bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all. You get the notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel. And another most important thing is, please everyone watch every video till the end. Don't skip in the middle. You skip in the middle, you will know or you will learn the topic or subject up to that point only. The balance topic or the subject you will not know, so it will be very compromised. It's a waste of time. It is not useful and it's a waste of time. So you watch every video till the end. See, we are going to the college. In the college you attend for BA, BCom, BSc, any other degree, post-graduate degree, and anything. So it is for academic qualification. We are attending the college. In the college, for this academic qualification, we sit in the college at least for 2 to 3 hours every day. So for that. But here we are learning Tally train software professional training we are taking care. It is very useful to our career as well as to our life. That is why we have to spend time for these hours. So every video will be around 40 to 50 minutes. Maximum it will be less than 1 hour. So you have to spend that time and watch the video till the end. Then only you will get full knowledge of this topic. Okay. And also after watching fully, if the video is good, please like that video so that YouTube people will share this video with many people. So many people will have the chance to learn this topic. Okay. Now you will share the traffic, share the screen. See here, already we know how to make the entries for the manufacturing. So for manufacturing, there are two types of entries. When they are making the manufacturing, see generally trader means purchasing the goods, selling the goods, same goods. One manufacturer means he will purchase and sell, but in between there is one more process. He will purchase not the saleable goods. He will purchase the raw material and he will convert the raw material into a product called final product or finished goods, and that's going to use it. So if you purchase and say there is one more process, that is manufacturing process. It may be called, it may be assembly, manufacturing, whatever it may be. Another process for converting the raw material into finished goods. And in this case, when you are making that purchasing the raw material and making the manufacturing the finished goods and then selling for this purpose, we require godowns. Already we made videos for the godowns. So for purchasing the raw material and storing, we require a godown called as, we can make it as raw materials. And from raw materials godown, we will store when purchasing, and that from raw material godown, you will transfer to the manufacturing. That is the manufacturing voucher, right? To the manufacturing, we transfer, and after the manufacturing, finished goods will be transferred and be stored in another godown called finished goods godown. So these two godowns will require raw material godown and the finished godowns. So that what we have to do, first of all, we have to I created the godowns already. See here in the ledgers, I created purchase, everything is in purchases, sales, data, taxes, that is IGST, CGST, HGST, purchase, sales, bank account, and debtor account, creditor account. Purchasing the raw material is a creditor. Selling the finished goods is a debtor. So these accounts and some other expenses, the expenses account, all these are created. Mainly the receipts and payments to the debtor and creditor will be made through bank because the amount will be huge. So for bank account, all these are created. And in this case, If I create here, here, I created the goods items, stock items also. So in the stock items, simply now we are taking up assembling of a computer. In this case, purchasing raw material and transferring to the bill of material. To the entering in the bill of material. That is, bill of material means making a list of materials and the required quantity for manufacturing one unit of the finished goods. To manufacture one unit, any unit, it may be kg or ton or anything, to make our number of these, to manufacture one unit of the finished goods, what is the minimum required? That list will prepare. That list is called components list or list of components, or simply called it as BOM, means bill of material. So in the bill of material also, enter the material and then transfer to the manufacturing. Then after finishing the finished goods will be transferred to the finished goods, finished go down, finished goods go down, then sell to the customers. In all these cases, we use only one unit, that is either kg or it may be numbers, it may be pieces, whatever it may be. The same in purchasing, in the same unit. For example, numbers or pieces, purchasing numbers, transferring the bill of material, we are preparing with the help of numbers only. What are the numbers required? And then transferring to the bill of material is transferred to the manufacturing voucher or manufacturing process. And there also we transfer in the same unit. And manufacturing the finished goods also will be in the same unit. And selling that and transferring to manufacturing the finished goods go down in the same unit and selling it in the same unit. So only one unit to use for the purpose what to do. See here, units I created numbers. Okay. And go down I created two go downs. One is raw material go down, one is finished goods go down. And the material when you purchase, all the materials when you are purchasing, they are all raw material. So the group will be raw material group. Okay. I created already. See here. This is the problem. Materials required here, 8 are given, but one is missing. I added that also here. We have to make the raw material we have to create, as well as finished goods also we have to create for all the raw materials. So the raw materials required are here. Here given, here given 8 are given. Motherboard. So we'll take up like this. See, whatever you do after creating, to showing the alphabetical order, cabinet, cabinet, then motherboard, all these are there. All these items are there. We created all the items. Cabinet, HDD, C. Cabinet, cabinet, HDD, then keyboard, then keyboard here. Keyboard, they are given here also. Keyboard, then monitor that is created. And motherboard, see motherboard, then mouse, then motherboard, then mouse required. Then mouse, then power cables. So power cables, then processor, RAM, all these are there. So 8 are given. I added one more, that is monitor is very important. Somehow it is missed in this. So monitor also we require. These are all the raw materials. How you will make them? So here I'll take the name and the group will be for all these raw material group. For the finished goods, this is the group. Go down, the raw material go down, finished goods go down. That is different. Here is a group. That is group of the material, group of the stock item, monitor, raw material. And all the materials are raw materials. We take the raw material only. And the finished goods, we create that also. Here, we created also. Desktop computer, see, making a desktop computer for assembly. One desktop computer, the material required. So, desktop computer, finished goods, desktop computers, and here we create it as the finished goods. Group is finished goods, are all numbers only, and give the numbers, that is registration number, tax, everything, and tax rate, everything. Okay, like this I created all the region, all raw materials I created, raw material, and the another one is I created finished goods. And when you are purchasing this one, this will be stored in the raw material go down, and after manufacturing, it will transfer to the finished goods go down, from finished goods go down to this side. Okay. And now how to make entry? So first of all, see the problem. Ranga Technologies, I have the number, everything, see here. After creating, going to the F11 features, the number, everything is given. Okay, everything is given, all the features, GST features, everything is set. Now, he started business with a capital. Now you are taking, he's giving this 1/8. So you can take the same, you can take the same date, or you can take first April, or you take the same date, 1 week. So 1/8 will take up. So go to the voucher. First we are doing, so first of all, started with capital. So you take one, you take up 1/8. So first target. So first target. So what is done? Started business with a capital of 10 lakhs means amount is getting money. So receipt voucher. Credit means capital I created already. Capital account we created. Capital is created. Capital is to be created. Cash is coming in. Cash account is to be created. So capital. How much? 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs cash account credit. Debit cash account being capital introduced or capital brought into next. So then same day, first August, deposit 7 lakhs in State Bank of India to open a new account. So you have four credit. So we are paying cash to the bank. Bank is receiving. Bank is debited and cash is to be credited. Cash account credit. See here we have 10 lakhs now. So 7 lakhs we transfer. Now balance is only 3 lakhs. Transferring to paying to State Bank of India. That is contra entry cash in bank. So in bank, so 7,000 rupees will be the bank balance in the bank account. So being here it is cash now. That is why it will ask you the cash denomination. Without this, just skip this and go. You can accept, but here it is better to do denomination. Now only 500 are there. 500 means 1400 if you take 7 lakhs. 500 into 1400. 7 lakhs into 1400 into 500 will be 7 lakhs. Accept. And no name is required here. It is only cash. So cash is given. So cash denomination is known. That's all. And then for assembling the desktop computer, we follow materials. So each one. So there are 8 material. There is one more monitor also. One on each material is required. One number is required. But only RAM and power cables 2 required. Okay. For this purpose, first and in addition to this material cost, some expenses also there. So expenses wages 2,500, expense incident expense 1,000 for making. So some number of computers. So how many computers are purchased and made here? Assembled 20 desktop computers. For assembling 20 computers, the material required for each one. That is for each computer, this is the material required, and the expenses for the all the manufacturing of 20. This one you have to. This is required. We have to prepare the bill of materials for making 1 unit of the finished goods. That is for assembling one computer, desktop computer. What is the material required? This 8 plus 1 monitor. These are the materials required. This is required for the bill of material. So first you will purchase the goods, then you will make the bill of material. So what are the goods purchased? You will take up here the same thing. Second August, you purchase the goods. So go to purchase. What is the bill number? Bill number is given here. Here. Bill number AC. That is we purchase from. See, we purchase from Krishna Computer. So with the number, date, and the name is Mrs. Krishna Computers Hyderabad. So Krishna Computers Hyderabad. See the details, Hyderabad. And then we are purchasing the goods. What are the goods purchasing? We are purchasing cabinet. So type C, cabinet. See here, generally, what will happen is, so after this, see here, after giving the item, so it directly go quantity, rate, and this. In addition to this, now where you are storing this in which godown, that is raw material godown. That is also there is one more column is required. Here there will be no column. There is a small window will come along with these three. The quantity, I mean the godown also, you will get the godown option also. So cabinet, the same thing, quantity, rate, and amount. These are there. In addition to this, where you store all the raw material godown. Type R, raw material godown. How much you purchase? 20. 20 units you purchase. Each one is that when you are creating these goods, the HSN code is also given. So 1,000 rupees each. 1,000 rupees each is purchased. The next one is motherboard. Type M. See, select. There are 3 mouse, motherboard, and everything. Select motherboard. Motherboard also. Everything in raw material godown. So purchase the 20. The rate is 4,000 rupees. The motherboard is 4,000 rupees. The next one is keyboard. So keyboard, TDS keyboard. Raw material go down. How many purchase? Purchase 20 and rate is 500 rupees. And the next item mouse. So type mouse, select mouse, raw material go down. How many purchase mouses? Mouses we purchase 30. That means what will be balance? 30 we purchase, rate will be 800 rupees. Rate is 800 rupees. Then RAM. So RAM we are purchasing. So go down is raw material go down, but 40 is we are purchasing 40 because we require more RAM and cables. We require more. So we are purchasing 40. Each one is 1200 rupees. RAM is 1220 each one. And then after that, processor. Yeah, okay, processor. So this is also stored in the raw material go down. Process only 20. Process only 20. Rate is processor. Rate is 4,000. Processor rate is 4,000 rupees. And then come down. After the HDD, hard disk drive. HDD also raw material go down. And quantity HDD also 20. 20 rate is 3,000. Rate is 3,000 rupees. And the last one, power cable. Power cable, monitor is taken and monitor is not taken. Power cables is also in raw material go down and number is 40 we are purchasing because we require more. 40, each one is 100 rupees, that is over. And then the next one is monitor. Monitor is not given in this list, it is missing. So monitor 15.6 inches and go down is raw material go down. This also will purchase 20 and in 20 and you take just 2,000 rupees. So this is the amount we are purchasing. So they are all made purchases. Seven eight material, 8 stock items, but we purchased 9, including monitor one extra. And here now it is in the same state, CGST, HGST. If you select by mistake, IGST if you select, so it will not calculate the tax. So CGST, HGST. So this is the purchase rate. After making the purchase rate, we have to make the bill of material because then we have to go to the manufacturing process. So in the manufacturing process, next voucher will be manufacturing voucher. So this manufacturing voucher we will have here in the F10. So manufacturing voucher already there, it is stated. What we do is I will delete this here. Alter, we go to voucher type, manufacturing voucher, to delete this. So in this manufacturing voucher, you have to make in the vouchers, go to other vouchers, and here we have to make the manufacturing voucher. The manufacturing just equal to your stock journal. Stock journal used to transfer goods from one place to other place. Short keys Alt F7. This manufacturing journal also the same thing to transfer goods from one place to another place after manufacturing. So it will take raw material will be sent from raw material go down to the manufacturing. And after manufacturing, it will send to the manufacturing, it will send to the the material will be sent to the finished goods. It is also like raw material stock journal, part of stock journal. So under the stock journal voucher type, we create another type. So here we go to here, we create here. Here we create, it's called as manufacturing journal or voucher, both are same. Manufacturing journal, it is also under stock journal only. So both will be this will be just to transfer, that will be transfer with manufacturing. Okay, come down. Here you take manufacturing method of voucher numbering automatic and everything will be there. And come down here. They use as a manufacturing. This stock journal is only for transferring. This manufacturing journal, you have to use as manufacturing journal, the voucher or journal, use as manufacturing journal, make it yes. Accept. So now, so that is created. Now short is for both stock journal and manufacturing journal, Alt F7. You type Alt F7, it will ask you want only stock journal or manufacturing journal. Select manufacturing journal. So here the manufacturing journal. So this is the manufacturing. Here, here we have to go to the manufacturing. Here we do the finished product. So here, what is the finished product? Desktop computer is actually not coming out. Voucher. here. If you do this product here, we'll do the product here, and then here we'll do the go down. So this is the finished product will be transferred to finished goods go down, and here we will get the quantity. So after giving this quantity, now we have to come down here. Now material required each item we have to do, and the go down will be raw material go down. The material is in raw. This is raw material. So all the items you have to type here. Each item go down, and the quantity we know each item for making one computer we require what is the material required. That is, each one will require one, only two. These two will require two, otherwise one. So here we have to enter name, go down, and quantity. Depending on the quantity means we know for each unit, manufacturing each unit, what is the required there, which is one, sometimes two. So it is required one. So quantity, how many units you are making? 20, 40, 50 into the required quantity 1 or 2. So multiply that, then quantity we have to enter here manually. So this one, everything you have to do manually. So when you are making like that manually, sometimes we may commit error. So here, in this case, all are required, one quantity is required, one item is required. Okay, two items are required, two numbers. So in that case, by mistake, for all the items, you give one, taking as one, 20 are making, for example, for every item, start raw material item, everything 20, 20, 20 we make. But for two items, 40 numbers are required. By mistake, you will give 20 like that. When you are entering manually, you will commit a mistake. Sometimes here purchasing, manufacturing, transferring to finished goods, selling, everything the same unit. Computers means numbers you are taken. All are in numbers. So in that case, is no problem. In this case, we may calculate this carefully and we may avoid error. Or sometimes definitely, even though you are careful, you can commit error. Sometimes we use two units, that is purchasing one unit, and for each item of manufacture, the quantity required, raw material required may be in small unit. For kg, it may be grams. Kgs you are purchasing. For making one unit of the finished goods, the material required may be in grams, 50 grams, 70 grams, 100 grams, 200 grams. So in this case, kilo, kg and 2 grams, 2 units you are using is called as alternate unit. In such a case, quantity into quantity may be the manufacturing will be in kg. So quantity is in kg, for example, but the material required for making 1 kg of the product, material required may be in 100 grams. So here quantity into 100 grams, we have to calculate, divide by 1000, 100 grams into, for example, 20. 20 into 100 grams, 2000. 2000 grams required, 2000 grams divided by 100. We are purchasing in kg. 2000 grams divided by 1000. 2000 divided by 2 kg required, 2 kgs. So in brackets, grams we are taking, grams also, grams will be 2000. 2 kgs or 2 grams, 2000 grams. This is called as alternate unit. Sometimes you use that. In such a case, when along with the calculating the quantity required, that is for the manufacturing quantity, the calculating and then calculating the quantity required in another unit, that is what you call alternate units, we will definitely commit mistake. That is why it is better always make it automatic entry. That is for making the automatic entry, that is automatically it will take the quantity required. You have to make list of the material. You know already list is given here. Already given is list. So for each computer, so this is the material required. That you have to make a bill, and in the manufacturing, what you call voucher, in the manufacturing, all caps of manufacturing entry, the manufacturing journal, you have to give the bill of material you purchase, you have made, the name of bill of material you have to use here. You do this name of the material, automatically it will take the bill of material. The bill of material means what is the quantity of the items required and what is the quantity required for making 1 unit of the finished goods. This is the unit. So that will be multiplied by this, and the quantity will automatically be calculated without manually. It will automatically calculate. Otherwise, you have to calculate. That's why you have to make it automatic. For making the automatic, what you have to do? You have to use the bill of material. The bill of material is for what? For making the finished goods. That is why, while making the stock items. We are creating all the items. We are creating all the items. We are taking just creating the group and number. Okay. So in the case of only in the case of desktop material, if you do in all the items, stock items, we have to do one more option, that is the bill of material. We have to make the bill of material that is made for the finished goods only. If you do the option, you go to F12, it will agree with all the companies. So in all the stock items, it will show what you will not select. Okay. Here we come down here, come down here. Here we have to one more option. For this finished goods, we have to prepare the list of the material. So F12, see here, F12. Set the components list. Components are raw material or ingredients, all are same. Components are raw materials list, bill of material in stock items. So in the stock items, bill of material means list of components, list of components, list of raw material. That we have to make the list. So for that, we have to make yes, make it yes and accept. So after this quantity, that is units, additional details, alter components list. Components means BOM. So make it yes. So the list will come. This is the list. The list is for BOM bill of material list for the desktop computers. For that, for this bill of material, bill of material is for desktop computers. That is the finished product. Now we have to give name. So some name I am giving for that also. Desktop computers it is. That is the material. Here the name I am giving desktop computer. But here you see desktop computer is the bill of material BOM name and the components for desktop computer and the components for making one unit. Making one unit of the computer, the material required. So here, bill of material, one number. For making one number, here we select all the materials and what are the required? Only RAM and power cable, required two numbers. All other material required one number. So here automatically, the cabinet and it is raw material. It is in the raw material go down and it is a component. A component, one number, and all these we select. Yeah. Next one, raw material. Next one is the this is finished goods. Cabinet, then HDD, raw material go down, then component, and the one number. Then everything are in line. So keyboard, raw material go down, component, one number. With monitor, is also in raw material go down. It is also a component. This is one number. If it is a byproduct or scrap, so that will be given and that will be reduced on the total cost. Okay. Motherboard, so raw material, component, one number. Mouse, raw material go down, one component, one number. Power cable, power cables, raw material go down, these are the component, but the numbers required are two. All of them are one. These are the two numbers required. Then processor, 64-bit, raw material go down, component, one number required. RAM, 64 4 GB RAM, raw material go down, it is also a component. It is also required quantity is two. For making one computer, all the other stock items, raw material required are one number only. Power cable and RAM, they are required two numbers. So this is the bill of material accept. Okay. After that, after accepting this, we come to say applicable tax is the what you call HSN code. Everything is given here. HSN code here for making the HSN code for desktop number 2564. That's what I give. Exactly. Whatever number is there. And here specified details here. The rate will be 18% only for computer also and sell. Okay. Now, so we did this one. And when we completed this bill of material, we made yes, and we prepared the bill of material. Okay. After that, then we go to the voucher. So with the help of bill of material, we can complete the voucher. Go to the voucher, Alt F7, and you require stock, manufacturing journal or manufacturing. You can make manufacturing voucher also. You can make the manufacturing voucher also. So name of the product. What is the final product? Desktop computers. Take that. On the desktop computer, desktop computer material required for desktop computers. We made a BOM. What is the name of the BOM? Desktop computer. This is the product. Automatically, so name of the BOM for this material, this final product, or finished product, BOM name will give desktop computer. Please take it. So for this, all the material we completed in the setup. So what are the material required? And then the go down, but quantity is not given. Quantity is given in the bill of material. For making 1 unit of the finished goods, we give the material 1 or 2 something. But now, depending here, go down will give. So finished go down. After the manufacturing, you go to the finished go down. Here, the quantity required depends on the quantity manufactured. So in this case, what is the quantity manufactured? On second, we assembled 20 desktop computers. So 20 desktop computers. We do the quantity. In the case of bill of material, for each item, what is the quantity required? 1, 1, 1, 1. For 2 items, 2. Given that. So that quantity into multiplied with this manufactured quantity, 20. Automatically, it will calculate that, and the purchase price, the purchase voucher will get the price. So the purchase price, it will take and calculate the total. See here, everything is 20, 20, that is 20 units, one number required. So 1 unit required, all 20. And here, power cables, 2 required. So 40, processor is 1 only. And then RAM also required 2 numbers, so 40 numbers. And this is the over. So 3,58,000, the total cost of the components or raw material. And this side, when you are making this production, you are making the producing the goods, we may get some byproducts. For example, in the case of a sugar factory, we will get a byproduct called molasses that is used in the spirit manufacturing. So those people, they will buy this and they will go. So when you sell that byproduct, so we will get some money. So the cost of the material, components, cost of the raw material will be reduced because they are recovering some amount. We enter this that is to consider byproduct or scrap. In the case of furniture manufacturing, so they will get the wooden powder that is used by some others, and also some pieces will be there. By using those pieces, small stools and small material also we can make. That is why here the product or the byproduct or scrap is there. The total cost of this making this material will be reduced. That will be given here. It is not there. Can come down. So cost of the material or cost of the components 3,58,000, 3,58,000. If there is scrap or byproduct, that will reduce, and the balance only will be the cost of the components. That will show less amount. But now no component is there. I mean, byproduct or scrap, so nothing is there. The total cost of the component is given, and on that only the using the raw material or component that we cannot make the product. We cannot make the finished product. For that, we have to spend some more expenses. Already in the company, we will take all the expenses will pay in large amounts. Okay, but here, for making this, what is the apportionment? That is, for this amount, what is the expenses? So, total we paid 1 lakh wages. Out of that, for making these 20 numbers, what is the wages? Like that, expenses. Here given, see here. Material required, this is a material required, wages 2,000, miscellaneous 1,000. And here we have to create or see wages you have to create. Indirect, see, this is the for the manufacturing, it is called as direct expenses. Already I created wages. See W wages created. We see control enter wages direct expenses. Okay, completed. And now next it will come to the percentage. Sometimes the expenses will be apportioned taken as a percentage on the material cost. The percentage is given. For example, if 5%, if you automatically it will calculate. Okay. Otherwise, if there is no percentage given, directly will go to the end. In this percentage, it will calculate. Otherwise, give the direct value. Here given value is 2,500. So wages 2,500. Then miscellaneous expense that is also prepared. I already created miscellaneous expenses. For this also, no percentage. It is given as 1,000 rupees. So 1,000 rupees. 1,000 plus 2,500, 3,500 rupees is the additional cost. The material cost plus additional cost total is 3,61,000. See, 3,58,000, 3,58,000 plus 3,500. So 3,61,500 is the total cost of the cost of production. So how many units you prepared? You manufactured 20 divided by 20. For each unit, this is the cost divided by 20. So effective rate of the primary item. Primary item is the main product. The primary item is 18,075. So this is completed, and this go down, product will go to the finished goods go down. So like now we know the product there, then cost of product is 18,075. You can use some profit and you can sell for a higher price. So this is it. So material purchase, then we have to finish the goods in between manufacturing process, that process is completed. And then what we will do now? Now what we will do, this is completed, manufacturing is over. Now, so purchased material, then we prepared the bill of material with the help of building material. We completed the manufacturing journal and then assembled everything. And then after that, after making that, so already the raw material we purchased from Krishna Computers on credit. So here next one is we paid to Krishna Computers 2,50,000 on account by check. So now we have to make the entry. We are making the payment. Same day, same second only, same date. We are making the payment. To whom we are making? We are making the payment at the debit, making to payment to Krishna Computers. The total amount is 4,37,000 due. That is the bill. We are making payment only 2,50,000. So now see, if you deduce that, it will show the balance. See, against reference, this is the bill number, date, and this is the total amount, bill amount, and invoice amount, and this is the amount paid. Now, direct this. See, this is the balance. Although two something is there. Now 250, 437 or something. So 250 is paid. The balance is available. The balance still in his account. When you are paying in the next time, the bill will show this balance only. Okay. And we are paying to bank. So State Bank of India, and here check we are paying. So this number, not our number. Sorry, we are paying. We are paying this our number. We are due 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all. To our bank, State Bank, we are paying to check number this one the same day. We are making that. So being amount paid to the okay. And then what happens is that is paid. And then 10 desktop computers are sold to Messrs. Maheshwari Computers in Vijayawada at 20,000, or you can take 22 something. Okay. Here we are making the sales. So now make sales entry. For sales entry, sales voucher number itself is the voucher. That is the invoice number. Maheshwari Computers. So Maheshwari Computers, see, this is Andhra Pradesh. Given paid in Vijayawada. That means Andhra Pradesh. Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Accept. Sales we are making. What we are selling? Are selling the finished goods desktop computers. Take the desktop computer. It is in the finished goods. Finished goods go down. Desktop computers. Which go down? It is in finished goods go down. Finished goods go down. Quantity how many are selling? We are selling 10. 10 numbers. What is the rate? 20,000. We take 22,000. 22,000 we are selling. 2,20,000. And then we are selling to Maheshwari Computers in Vijayawada. So we have to take suppose Vijay CDST. Not calculate. It is in other state. That means that is select IDST is calculated. And here new reference number, the invoice number is 4. That is sales voucher number is 4. That is invoice number, new reference number 4. So amount is that is being goods sold to our computer sold to data. Okay, sold to customer. We sold. And that's all given here. Or sometimes on the same date or something. So we sold on 2nd August. So by the end of the month, 31st August. So this Maheshwari computer, they may pay something to us. Okay. So we are taking that. We are receiving the money from Maheshwari traders. Credit who is paying? Maheshwari computers. What is the amount due? 2,59,600. For example, he is paying 1,50,000. So 1,50,000. Balance will be 1,09,600. So against the reference, bill number, the total amount, and the amount paid. Now we will enter. See, 1,09,600 rupees is the balance. And State Bank of India, we are receiving 2,50,000 we paid. Totally 7 lakhs deposit in. And then we paid to the creditor 2,50,000. Now we are receiving 1,50,000. That is 1 lakh extra paid. That is 7 lakhs minus 1 lakh. 6 lakhs is the balance. 7 lakh in that 2,50,000 paid. That means 4,50,000 the balance. And now 1,50,000 is received. 4,50,000 plus 1,50,000 will be 6 lakhs in the balance. So B, here we are receiving my check. So his number. So his number, his check number you will give. And then his bank. So his bank may be different. So if you space that, yes. Check the space bar with the space bar. The list will not be there because in the case of computer trading, license national list will be there. List of banks with different countries. not banks in all India. Only branches in all the banks in different countries. So State Bank of India, India, we can select. If you take State Bank of India, so State Bank of India, India, you can select. In the case of education version, only these two will be available. Not applicable, specified bank name. So we have to click that, and here India will come. For example, this bank is HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank is HDFC Bank is taken automatically. Okay. Being amount received from a guitar or received from the customer by check. So this is the thing about that. So purchasing and making the bill of material required one quantity, that is the quantity of material required to manufacture 1 unit of the finished product, everything, and the quantity of the unit of the finished product, and selling the finished product, everything the same unit, we are using numbers. So one single unit for all the things. So in this case, how you make. And in the next video, we will take up. So in this case, there will be different units where purchasing in 1 unit and the material required to manufacture 1 unit of the finished product will be yet lesser unit. In that case, how? Then lesser unit is per kg, lesser unit will be grams. For liters, lesser unit will be ml. So like that, for purchasing in kg and using and the required quantity for the manufacture of 1 unit, it will be in grams. So there are two items that is called as alternate units. So with the alternative units, 10 unit is cages only. Cages, purchasing, selling also cages, but manufacturing also in cages. But the material required to manufacture 1 kg or 1 liter, what is the material required and what is the quantity grams or ml required. So that we have to take. That we have to take in a tricky way. That's a very simple look. So this is about the manufacturing. This is manufacturing, that is automatic entry, because the BOM, if you make, the material required will be automatically printed. That's why it's called as BOM, bill of material entry. So with the help of bill of material, we made it with the same quantity, that is same unit. Okay. So next we will take up the next. So all the best. Thank you. Go through once or twice. You will understand everything. Right? Bye.